Hello there. This video demonstrates how to create a horizontal scrolling section on your web page. Let's begin. Here's the web page that we have pre-made. Here's the card that was pre-made. Select the card, keyboard, mouse click, drag to duplicate. Now that you have two, keyboard shift, select both. Right click, add auto layout. Now that you have added auto layout to these two auto layouts, you will see this slider. Drag and duplicate up to 6. Now that we have 6, right above this slider, reduce the frame to 3. In these 3, when we click content on the web page, it will hide the other 3. So the web page only displays these 3 thumbnails. But let's uncheck the clip content for now so that we can randomize all the thumb images. How do we do that? On your left panel, expand the layers. Go ahead and expand all the other layers. Select thumb image. You'll notice that when you select this, the 6th thumb image is selected. Hold down Control on your keyboard, scroll, select the other thumb images. You won't be able to scroll upwards with your Control press downwards. Release the Control on the keyboard as you scroll. The previous 3 selected thumb images will still be selected so that you can find the other 3 thumb images. Continue to hold Control and select the rest of the thumb images. Now release Control on the keyboard. You have all 6 selected. Right click within one of the thumb image. Plugins. This is a plugin previously saved for those here for the first time. Launch. In the search panel, since we're at the theme of workouts, let's go ahead and search workout. Just click on any of the images. You will notice it randomizes. Go ahead and close the plugin. Now, go back to the layers and select the top, which is this entire frame. Just gonna double click and go ahead and rename it as section horizontal slider. While this is selected, go to right panel, prototype, click scrolling horizontal. And now let's watch the demo of the prototype. Select the prototype, mockup, same thing. So that's what we always do. Shift space or right panel, preview. At first, when you try to scroll on your mouse, it might not work. Go ahead and click on anywhere on the screen. So scroll down. This was previously made. This was what we have just made. That's what we want. Notice previously we unchecked the clip content. That's the reason why this area still reveals itself, whereas the previously made was checked. Now you have it. This is how we create horizontal scrolling sections. Thank you.